Today we're going to be talking about weapon components. You're probably wondering why this weapon is so small on screen, and that is because I'm working on a scaler for the field of view. So for example, you go back up to 120, which is the default, the weapon will resume its normal position. You go out, it will go down to prevent clipping. Now while the scale still needs to be adjusted, this works pretty well for the time being. So we all know how the LMG works. You can fire it like normal, and it comes with an alt fire that also has a shield. Now what do I mean by components? Right here we have the LMG. And right here we have these three components down here that weren't here before. Now while an AC sound emitter is more universal, these two are exclusive to weapons. The AC weapon attack method, which I spelled wrong, and weapon flipbook. AC attack method controls how the weapon attacks. Does it spawn something? Does it shoot a sphere trace or a spread trace, which is present here? Based on the tag you put in here, this will also detect the origin. So for the LMG, there are multiple origin points, which most of these are unnecessary now. However, 4 of these are responsible for getting at that shotgun spread that comes with the alt fire mode. This takes care of that by getting the name of these traces via tag. So if I click on one of these, you can go to tags. And you can see this one says spawn actor, so this is where the shield will be spawned relative to the LMG. This works a lot better than the previous method of just basically duplicating this and putting it here, which as you can see is a lot cleaner now. And right here you can enter the parameters and the sounds and all this stuff. And now the flipbook types, let's get into those. The AC weapon flipbook handles the animations of the weapon. You can see right here we save the info of the owner flipbook. We can set it back. We can toggle the visibility. This is actually used for the scope on the sniper rifle. And the scaling that I'm still currently working on right now. You can play a weapon flipbook based on name. Usually there's only 2, main fire and alt fire. You can also have different idles after you fire. So if I pick up the axe, so we fire normally, it does this. We fire alt, it does this. And now it resumes its alt position. So when you fire again from alt, it doesn't look as weird. Of course, this animation has to be quick because it's the quick melee animation. These components make working with the weapons a lot easier and a lot faster. Not only to mention, this also helps debug multiplayer. Thanks for watching and have a good one.